In crypto, they always say, bet on the team. Well, I found a project that didn't just hire hype men, they hired engineers. They built $100 million worth of infrastructure before they ever asked for a single cent. And please do remember, folks, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Whenever we do talk about crypto or finance related products or projects, you always must do your own research before investing because we are not financial advisors and these videos are not financial advice. Let's get into it. Now, what ZKP are building here is pretty astonishing, and I'm here to talk about it for you to see if it's something that you'd be willing to get involved in. Essentially, guys, they are running a pre-sale, and ZKP is essentially at that stage where it is ready to start giving back by building its first community now. So they've actually launched a $5 million giveaway, and 10 lucky community members will actually win 500,000, $500,000 each. This is essentially their way of rewarding those who do join their ecosystem early. ZKP just isn't some empty white paper promise. It's a fully functional layer 1 blockchain, and the focus is on privacy. So what's special about this is the zero knowledge advantage. The team has essentially implemented advanced cryptography that validates transactions without ever exposing user data. It's essentially the security of Bitcoin, but with the privacy of cash. Now, what you got to realize is most of these projects do have venture capitalists, but no, there was the original project that has already been produced. The layer 1 blockchain cost a lot of money, and there's no insiders, no venture capital control. The team essentially designed this as a people's launch, a fair launch. There are no private rounds. The community all buy in at the same time and on the same terms. And what ZKP are using is a 24-hour auction system for their stages. And guess what? You're early. The fair pricing system is super cool. It's actually dictated by the community on that day, not by the team or insiders fixing the price. This creates a level playing field for the community. What's also fantastic to see is that they're already partnered with the Dolphins, okay? Official blockchain partner for ZKP right here. This basically shows, well, they already know how to play in the big leagues. And probably my favorite point of all, the burning of the supply. Crucial tokenomics to have for any successful project. Unsold tokens are destroyed, creating more scarcity on the project. This will essentially protect the community's tokens and overall the value of the altcoin. So if you want to be on the winning team this crypto cycle, you need to start acting fast like the Dolphins. Click the link to join the daily auction at zkp.com. Link will be at the top of the video description. And get your entry in for that $5 million USD prize. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, and hit notifications so you don't miss out on the next ones. Have a good day.